Every masterpiece begins with a block of wood and a vision. At Modelworks, we turn that vision into reality, crafting museum-quality models from premium mahogany wood, where every curve, every line, and every detail matters. Mahogany isn't just wood, it's character, durability, and timeless beauty. Each model is hand-carved, hand-shaped, and hand-finished by skilled artisans with decades of experience. From your photos, blueprints, or memories, we create custom models built to exact specifications, matching paint schemes, logos, registration numbers, and every unique detail that makes it yours. For automotive models, we go beyond the surface, with functional doors, opening hoods, and detailed interiors that bring your vehicle to life. And for aviation enthusiasts, our clear canopy models reveal intricate cockpit details, capturing the true spirit of flight down to the smallest control panel. This isn't mass production. This is true craftsmanship, where every model is built from scratch, with patience, precision, and passion. The result? A museum-quality masterpiece, designed to be displayed, admired, and remembered for a lifetime. We also offer high-quality die-cast models, but when it comes to timeless elegance and handcrafted perfection, nothing compares to mahogany. So whether it's your aircraft, your car, or your story, we don't just build models, we preserve moments in wood. Ready to bring your vision to life? Visit modelworksdirect.com and get your custom model started today. Modelworks, where craftsmanship meets legacy.